John, Aren't meat pieces in Pilao supposed to be by luck? Like 2 pieces. Then, tomorrow, maybe 19 pieces. There is this restaurant I buy Pilao from. 4 days in a row, I keep getting 1 piece as if they first checked inside the rice with a finger. Imagine, every day 1 piece in a Pilao. Hey, is that a higher to remove it all? Or even to just leave it like that? Because how comes every day 1 piece? Why can't it be by luck in a Pilao? Maybe 3 pieces or even at times 20 pieces.